Soon after, news broke of the possible death of Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat in a chopper crash near Tamil Nadu's Kunnur. A tweet by a retired colonel went viral and prompted outrage on social media. One retired colonel by the name Baljit Bakshi tweeted that karma has its own way of dealing with people. The cryptic tweet seemed to be directed at the CDS and made a mockery of his tragic death. By his own admission, Colonel Bakshi's Twitter profile reads, "An upright soldier served on LOC in Kashmir and on China border, seen the rise of militancy in Kashmir in 1990. He withdrew the tweet later. His latest tweet at the time of filing this report read, "Prayers are with bereaved families." Lieutenant General H.S. Panag, retired, also received flack for declaring the Chief of Defence Staff dead before the official confirmation. Many read that as a death wish for General Rawat. In his defense, Lieutenant General Panag wrote that the Indian Air Force tweeted about the general's crash near 2 p.m., but news had started trickling in before 1:30 on Wednesday. In another tweet he wrote, "My association with General Rawat goes back to 1978 when he was a gentleman cadet in IMA and I was an instructor in the same battalion. Later he served with me as an RR sector commander in Northern Command. RIP dear comrade." Lieutenant General H.S. Panag is the father of actor Gul Panag. The tweets on karma and the hurried announcement of the death by Colonel Bakshi and Lieutenant General Panag triggered anger on social media. One Twitter user wrote, "When our CDS is battling for his life, a former colonel is celebrating the accident. More than rage, I feel pity for him and his mindset. His propaganda, insecurity and hate has consumed him. Get well soon, Colonel. Hope karma is kinder to you." Sanju Verma, the national spokesperson for BJP, wrote, "Shocking that we have traitors like these ex-army men who, blinded by their hatred for Prime Minister Modi, have the cheek to lecture on karma and are quick to offer condolences when CDS Bipin Rawat is still fighting the valiant fight. Shameful display of depravity by closet Khalistani elements." Many other people shared similar sentiments.